is up YouTube and welcome back to the channel The Go All Ad. This is your boy Ganesh Narvekar and I'm back with another one. And today I've got a very special review for y'all. It's been a review which you guys have requested. It's a brand new shoe. There's no review on YouTube on these, so this is an exclusive, guys. It's early gang and I'm glad that I can show you these because these are special. So the shoes that I'm gonna do a review on are the Pharrell Solar Hue Chinese New Year. These are fantastic. Without wasting too much time, let me show you the box. So here you go, guys. This is the first look of the box. Absolutely mad. Here you go. You can have a closer look at it. So you've got your Adidas Originals logo in gold and you've got your Pharrell Williams logo, which looks absolutely fantastic on this red box. Red and gold is a combination you can't really go wrong on. So I'm really glad that they chose these colors for the Chinese New Year, as red and gold is quite reminiscent with the Chinese New Year. So I'm really happy with that. And on top of the box you've got this symbol which means fortune, guys, because in the new year we wish each other good fortune. And it's a really cool touch, and props to Adidas for the detailing on this box. I mean, it's fantastic. They've actually gone through to put the effort into making it creative and showing us a different side to Adidas. So that's nice and I'm glad they went through that. So props to Adidas for doing this box up really nicely with the theme, with the Chinese New Year. Absolutely fantastic. So now that we're done with the box, let's move on to the shoes. So here you go, guys. This is the first look of the shoes. Absolutely mad. It's got the bread colorway, and here you go, guys. You can have a closer look at them. So the top of the right pair has Hue, which is Pharrell Williams human race logo. Looks really fire, and it's not stuck on. It is actually been stitched in, so you know it's gonna last you over time. It's not just something which you rub off and it's just gonna go on. They've done their proper work on the logo. And the material on top is a really nice prime knit, but it has the jersey kind of feeling. So it's a different material. I've never had prime knit like this, so it's definitely different. And I love the colorway which they've gone with. The red looks fantastic. Moving up on the shoe, you've got this black stitching which goes across. I think that's one of my favorite details, how it just goes across behind instead of going parallel to the shoe. So it gives the shoe a really unique look. Moving up, you've got your lace holes in red in this really plush suede material. It's absolutely fantastic. On the lateral side of the shoe, you've got your black mesh with hints of gold. And you've also got your human race logo at the back of the shoe. And the heel counter is also in this red to give the shoe stability. So all in all, the lateral side, the contrast of gold, black and red just looks absolutely beautiful. So you know this is gonna be fire on feet. Moving on to the medial side of the shoe, you've got the same color blocking with the red, the black mesh, the red suede, and also the red heel counter. So the color blocking is the same. You've also got your TPU sticking out in gold here, which looks pretty cool. At the back of the shoe, you can see both the heel counters, which gives this shoe proper stability. I'm not sure this is really your performance kind of shoe, but I am definitely going to use it for lifestyle, that's for sure. And the left pair has this Chinese symbol which means fortune. So fortune and the new year goes hand in hand, as in every new year we wish each other for good fortune. So it's a super touch by Adidas to get this on. And the color blocking is very identical to the right pair. And on top of the shoe you've got your Adidas Performance logo in gold. So red and gold is a combination which is absolutely smoking. It is fire, guys, and these are just amazing. I just love the color blocking. I love the details that has gone into producing this beautiful shoe. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the laces are in white, and you also get a second pair of laces in red. And the laces have 3M hits, which is always good because, you know, under the flash it's just gonna pop, so just gives you the added extra edge on these. Moving out to the outsole, you've got your all black outsole with your gold torsion system and Continental written in yellow. On the inside of the shoe, you've got your bubble boost text. As for sizing, these fit true to size. They have this really nice sock fit, so it's really comfortable, and these are absolutely fire, guys. So guys, if you want me to do a giveaway on these beauties, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, do hit the bell notification button and share this video on your social platforms, whether it's Facebook or Instagram. Share the video guys, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Ganesh Narvekar. Guys, if you follow these simple rules and if I cross 600 comments and 600 thumbs up, I will do the giveaway on these exclusive beauties. So I know we can do this. I know we are one of the strongest YouTube families. I know we can do this. So let's get on it then. And also another really important detail about the shoe. It's an all boost midsole guys. Very, very, very comfortable. The smoothest ride all day long. People may say boost is dead, but when you come out with sneakers like these, with details like this is just an absolutely fire pair. I don't care what people say, boost is dead, whatever. For me, these are absolutely flaming. Red gold, the bread with the gold just looks absolutely fire guys. And I would highly recommend this pair of shoes. They are pretty exclusive because Chinese New Year's sell out really quickly. So you gotta be on your A game if you wanna pick these up. So now that we're done with the review, let's go and see how these beauties look on feet. So guys, I'm really glad that I could show you this exclusive pair of sneakers of a Pharrell exclusive pair. I really hope you guys enjoyed these. These were highly requested and it's early gang. So I'm happy I could show you these early. I do truly appreciate the love you all have been showing the channel and it means a lot to me. So that was all with the review. This is your boy the Goa Lad and peace.